Today I want to show you how to roll your clothes for packing cubes. I'm going to go over all the most common garments and how to fit them in the packing cubes in the best way possible. If this is your first time watching my channel, I'm Tor and I love to make these travel and packing guides for you. So let's get into it. So let's start off with a long sleeved shirt. So the way we do this is that we first fold the bottom of the shirt over, so it creates this little pocket. Then we take the arms and fold them over to both sides like this. Then we are going to take the sides and fold them over about 1/3 over on both sides. So it creates this nice little thing. Then we're going to start rolling the long sleeved shirt up from the bottom all the way up to this little pocket we made. From here we're going to fold the pocket all the way over like this, and then we have a nice little burrito. So I'm just going to place it in a packing cube here, and then we move on over to the jeans. Now the jeans method is a little bit different. You can do the same burrito method for the jeans as well, but I like to start by folding the knees over like this, and then we fold in the crotch area, and we start rolling from the top down. This method is really nice as it holds the jeans together very well. And here, as we pass the knee, we are going to roll just over it. Just make sure you have enough of a leg to fold over, which is the next part that we're going to do here. We take the leg and we just stretch it all the way over the jean. This part can be a little bit tricky, but it's also going to make your jean hold together really nicely. It can be especially hard if it's a skinny jean like this one. It's a lot easier with normal pants or a more relaxed fit. But as you can see here, we get this nice little package that's never going to fall apart. Next, I want to show you how to roll a hoodie. This is also a really cool method. I use this method a lot, as you can turn it into kind of a pillow if you want. So we start by folding the arms over on both sides, just like with a long sleeve shirt. And we're also going to fold the sides over like this, the same method as the long sleeve shirt. But from here, we're going to start rolling from the bottom. As you can see, we don't have the same fold as we do with a long sleeve shirt, and that is because we have the hood on top here. So once we reach the hood, we're going to take it and just flip it over on both sides like this. Of course, you can use the same method as with a long sleeve shirt, but I do find that this one holds the hoodie together really nicely. So then we're just gonna start tying up the little nice little knot here. And there you have it. So just gonna place this together with the pants and a long sleeve shirt, and then we'll move on to the shorts. So the shorts, we use kind of the same burrito roll method as we did with a long sleeve shirt. So we start by making the little pocket up top, and then we're going to move on by folding over the short like this. As you can see, you get these edges hanging out, so I just like to fold them in, so I get more of a uniform burrito. And then we just roll it up just like we did with a long sleeve shirt. And we're going to fold it over on both sides like this. This method is usually called the burrito roll or the army roll. It has a few different names, but it's definitely the best way to pack shorts in packing cubes, I do think. You really want to roll it. So then we're going to move over to the t-shirts. And just like the shorts and the long sleeve shirts, it's pretty much the same method here. We're just going to fold the arms in, and we're going to continue just like we did with a long sleeve shirt. I do think that rolling the clothes when you use them in a packing cube is the most efficient way to pack your clothes. It's very nice to see them as you get kind of an overview, but at the same time I do think the rolling method is the most efficient way to save space on top of that. So having them in a packing cube in a nice and organized way that takes up very little space is such a nice way to roll up your clothes. Especially with this compression packing cubes that I'm using, but it should be just fine with any packing cubes. Don't worry about that. And next we are moving on to the swimming shorts and running shorts. This is the worst one of all. I don't like working with this fabric, so if you're gonna do this, make sure to take your time and yeah, because this can be kind of annoying if you, especially the first time until you get used to it. As you can see, the pockets kind of start sticking out. But just like the shorts, we're going to start by folding in the side, and then we're going to start rolling it up in this uniform nice little thing. Like I said, you want to take your time with these as they can be quite annoying. So I like to place most of the clothes that are of similar sizes in the same packing cubes, as I think that they're going to start moving around if you don't do it this way, which can be quite annoying. So I have a separate packing cubes for the underwear and the socks. So the underwear, we're going to start by doing the same burrito method really. It's a lot similar to the shorts, and once you get the hang of how you do this burrito roll, which is just folding it up like this and then folding it over on both sides and roll it up to the top, I think you will get the hang of it really quickly, as it's a lot of the same principle except for the jeans and the hoodies. So there we have it, and here is my little packing cube for underwear and socks. And then we're gonna do the socks. So the socks, you want to start with the heel facing down like this. And then it's really simple, you just roll it up from the toes all the way up to the elastic band. And here, when we reach the elastic band, we're going to take the outer of the elastic bands, only the outer one. And we're going to fold it over the entire sock like this. And that's gonna hold together really nicely. So, there you have it. Then you just need to organize everything nicely like this. I have a full video on how to organize your packing cubes and how to pack light as well, that you can check out here down in the corner. I also want to invite you to subscribe to the channel to learn more about how to pack efficiently and how to travel in a good way. I think we can get you, I think you will benefit greatly from it if you like to travel and you like to try out new methods. So, thanks for watching this video. Head on over to this next packing video and I will see you over there.